If your air conditioner's condenser coil is freezing up, it's probably because the refrigerant level is too low and you gotta recharge it pronto. So first off, turn off your AC to let the ice melt. That's super important because running it while frozen can mess it up worse. Next, check for any leaks, because low refrigerant usually means there's a leak somewhere, and just recharging without fixing that is like putting a band-aid on a bullet wound. Call a pro if you're not sure where the leak is or how to fix it, because handling refrigerants needs special tools and know-how, plus it's regulated by law. If you're comfortable, you can use a gauge set to check the pressure levels yourself, but only if you know what you're doing. When adding refrigerant, do it slowly and keep an eye on the pressure gauge to avoid overcharging. Also, keep your air filters clean because dirty filters block airflow and can make the coil freeze even if your refrigerant is fine. Make sure your outdoor unit is free from debris so air flows properly around the condenser coil. Lastly, schedule regular maintenance to catch low refrigerant levels or other issues early before they turn into big headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser coil freeze-up is ignoring low refrigerant signs like reduced cooling or hissing noises. This just makes the problem worse and can lead to compressor damage, so fix leaks as soon as possible and recharge properly. Another common issue is trying to add refrigerant without fixing leaks first. This wastes money and doesn't solve the root problem, so always get leak repairs done before topping off refrigerant. Lastly, overcharging refrigerant can cause high pressure in the system, leading to poor performance and even damage, so always follow manufacturer guidelines or get a pro to handle it. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing when it comes to HVAC repairs like recharging refrigerant. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors looking to connect with people who need their services, making sure everyone wins.